Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create public and private keys. These two keys are like a lock and its unique key, working together to secure your digital interactions. The public key is something you can freely share with anyone, much like giving out your mailing address. However, the private key is your secret, personal key, and it must be kept absolutely confidential. Together, they form a powerful system for ensuring your online communications and data remain private and authentic. Generating your own public and private key pair is a straightforward process, often done using readily available command line tools. Programs like OpenSSL or SSH Keygen are commonly used for this purpose. When you generate a key pair, you'll typically choose an algorithm, such as RSA, and a key length, often 2048 bits or more, for robust security. The process usually involves a few simple commands, and the tools handle the complex mathematics behind creating these unique cryptographic assets for you. Once you have your public and private key pair, the public key has several important uses. You can share it with anyone who needs to send you encrypted messages or files. When someone encrypts data with your public key, only your unique private key can decrypt it, ensuring confidentiality. Additionally, your public key can verify digital signatures, confirming that a message truly came from you and hasn't been tampered with. It's a versatile tool for secure communication. The security of your private key is paramount. It is the most critical component of your key pair. Think of it as the master key to all your encrypted communications and digital identities. You must protect it with extreme vigilance, ideally storing it in an encrypted format and securing it with a very strong, unique passphrase. Never, under any circumstances, share your private key with anyone. Compromising this key would allow unauthorized access to your encrypted data and enable impersonation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.